I feel so special being here tonight because this is the first of its kind, so a wonderful evening ahead of us. Okay, first up is the Pioneer Award sponsored by the Pacific Business Hub. Now I'm going to invite now Nora Swan to represent the Pacific Business Hub. The lovely Laura couldn't make it tonight. And here's Nora here. She's just finished having the Pacific Fusion Fashion Show, so a round of applause. Yeah, there we go. While she models her way forward, she's like, who, me? You talking about me? Nice to see you, sis. Pulavinaka. Okay, now this award recognizes an individual who possesses exceptional leadership attributes by taking the initiative to establish projects or awareness programs that have made a positive impact in theirs or others' community and has inspired others by overcoming challenges or has shown resilience during this tough time. Ladies and gentlemen, drum roll please. You're so good. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, ohana, this award goes to Gibson Gala. A round of applause. Here he is. There we go. I'll just tell you some fun facts about Gibson. Now, Gibson hails from Papua New Guinea and has 15 years' experience in youth leadership at the local, regional, and international level. Gibson is currently studying towards his Master's in Disaster Risk Resilience at the University of Canterbury. These programs are sponsored by MFAT. There's a lot more in his bio, but I didn't realize they gave their thesis to me to read tonight. So please, make him feel welcome. A round of applause for Gibson. Yeah.
Minister of Pacific Peoples, Honorable William Sio, ministers, members of the New Zealand Parliament, board and the management of Pacific Corporation, Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, I received this award with humility, with great gratitude and humility. So, my name is Gibson Gala, and I'm from a remote village in Papua New Guinea. So, I started this journey when I was 15 years old. I walked 6 hours a day, every day, to school. 3 hours in the morning and 3 hours back in the afternoon. That's how I learned leadership. For the last 15 years, as a volunteer working from the village to the national level, at the regional level, international level, and in my capacity serving as the ambassador of Pacific Youth and advocate, a youth parliamentarian, a youth negotiator at the UN for Pacific Youth. It was a very tough journey for me, but an exciting. Without the support of the many people which I've met along this journey, I wouldn't make it this far. So let me take this time to thank them. Firstly, I want to thank my parents who are watching live from Papua New Guinea, my siblings. Thank you very much, you deserve this. I would also like to make a special mention to one of my brothers who is here to witness this award, Mr. Tommy Posangat. Thank you. Secondly, I would like to thank my mentors, the volunteers which I've worked with, the 25 solid team in the Pacific region which we've been working together to negotiate as part of the process towards the UN Sustainable Development Program, which is now the 17 goals that have been rectified by the UN. I would like to thank them. And I would also like to thank the New Zealand government, the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade, for giving me this opportunity to come and study here at New Zealand, the scholarship. Lastly, I would like to thank the Pacific Corporation Foundation for recognizing me. Actually, I was nominated twice for Commonwealth Youth Leadership Award, but I declined because that was the beginning of the journey. And I thought, based on my principle and ethical and moral principle, I thought it wasn't the right time to receive the award. but now I'm aging. Yeah, so I'm kicking 30 next year, so I thought it's a recognition that I would tell my younger generation, and of course, there are many young leaders who are coming up, so this would be a witness, a testimony to them. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. God bless the people of Pacific, and God bless everyone. Thank you.